Welcome to BuildMyChecks. We help businesses replace paper checklists with digital inspections, photo evidence, and automatic audit trails, all in one place. This video provides an overview of the admin tools available in the BuildMyChecks mobile app. Admin users can manage key parts of the system directly from their mobile device. From the app, admins can manage forms, including editing existing checks created in the web app. User management allows admins to add users, assign roles, and control access. Subscription settings can be viewed and updated, including user limits and billing details. Admins can also manage schedules to ensure checks are completed on time. Advanced configuration options, including complex workflows, are available in the web app. This gives administrators flexibility to manage the system wherever they are. Subscribe for more BuildMyChecks how-to videos.